Okay. So, you will read another story. It's all about the bears. Okay? So, I start reading it. You understand the story so that you will
All
be
about
able to
bears.
answer
There
the
are many kinds
questions
of
later.
bears.
Oh, wait. Oh, you just listen first. Renee, you understand the story, okay?
Yes.
So, you start all about bears.
All about bears. There are many kinds
Oops, you're very, you're very fast. Oh.
of bears.
Again, one more time. You take it
All about
seriously.
bears. There are many kinds of bears.
Okay?
Some bears live in warm places like sun bears.
Okay.
Some birds live in
Not
co-
bears. One more time, Renee. Not bears.
some
It's bears.
bears live in cold places like polar bears.
Polar bears. Okay.
Bears are colors
By the
too.
way, what bears live in a warm places? You called it as?
Bears.
How about bears
Bear.
live in cold places? Oops. Oh, you take it seriously,
Polar
Renee.
bear.
Oh,
Polar bear.
it seems like you're just lagging. uh, but you just take your lesson seriously, okay? So bears are
Okay.
go
Different
on.
colors.
Oh, so
Like
that
polar bears.
one more time, Renee. Let's start at the beginning, okay?
All
So
about bears. There are many kinds of bears. Some bears live in warm places like sun bears.
okay,
Some some bears live in cold places like polar bears.
okay.
Bears are different colors
Oops,
too.
bears are different colors too. Okay,
Also, they can be white, brown, or black. Some bears eat plants. Some bears eat animals. What bear eat animal?
mm,
And bears have long snouts or noses. They have claws and fur too. Baby bears and baby bears are called cubs. When it gets cold, bear sleeps in dens for the winter.
for the
Then,
winter, and then
dens can can be trees, can be in trees or caves. When they are sleeping all winter, it is called hibernating.
hibernating. Okay,
Hibernate.
that's the term when the bears are sleeping all winter. They are hibernating. Okay, so bears.
Bears do not eat when they are hibernating.
Okay, they just sleep all
And I
winter.
got something to show you.
Mm.
Surprise!
Oh, what's that? It's Suti again. Hello,
Yep.
Suti. But first, let's go back to your lesson, okay? So,
Okay.
did you understand the
Where's
story that you read, Renee? What is the story all about? It's about the
bear? All bears.
okay. Oh, so let's see if you really understand the story by answering the exercises. Okay? Oops, you're joking again. I can see you. Okay, so you answer
Do
question
all
number
bears
one.
live in warm places?
You answer me in a complete sentence,
Bears
okay?
do not. Bears do not live.
Mm.
Some bears do not live in warm places. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Next, how about question number
How are
2?
sun bears and polar bears different?
Mm.
Sun bears and polar bears are different because they live in different places.
Okay. So where did sun bears live?
In warm places.
Okay. How about polar bears?
They live in um
They live in,
snowy places.
yeah, or cold
Do
places.
you know
Just
what's
like
the most
just like
snowy
in
place?
Antarctica. Okay.
I know one.
Hmm?
Actually, my dad's in the Titanic.
Oops. Really, really? Titanic? That's the name of a big ship. Titanic. Okay?
He's
It's
at
not a
the
place.
top of the Titanic.
Okay. So
And
let's
then he did a posing.
Okay. Uh, okay, let's go back
What
to
does
your
hibernating mean? Highlight the words that help you.
okay. So
I
what
don't know what
does
hibernating.
I'll just tell it to you a while ago. Hibernating means that the hibernating means sleeping all winter long. Okay? It mentioned in the story that bears are hibernating when it's in winter season.
Is this
Okay? Okay?
after?
Hibernating. Hypenating. You spell hypenating.
I
Okay?
said helpinating.
Mm.
Helpinating.
Helpinating. Okay?
Not
So
I, okay?
you just listen to me, Renee. Hibernating mean sleeping all winter. Okay? Oh. Okay,
How
so
about this other?
bears are sleeping that time. They are not eating when they are hibernating. Okay? So that's the meaning of the word
How
hibernating.
about that?
What's that? I can't
Is that the
understand
answer?
neat
It's heightening.
hibernating. No, it's not. Oh, look at the correct spelling of the word hibernating because later you will spell that word. Okay? So next, let's have number 4.
Sure.
Let's have number
More.
4. What is
Wow.
you answer me in a complete sentence. Come on.
What is a baby bear called? The
Mhm.
baby bears are called cub.
Okay. Spell the word cub.
Let me spell that right now.
Orally. You just spell the word orally.
Cub.
Okay, very
B
good.
B
It
B.
seems like you really understand the story. Now let's have a spelling quiz. Okay? So let's see if you will
Quizzes.
you will be
I
able
love
to
spelling quiz.
you will be able
Yes,
to
I
get the
love
correct
unscrambling.
answer or you will get the correct word by unscrambling the letters. Okay? So let's
Wait, let me just
have
make it a little.
number 1. Mm.
I know what this is. Let me
Oh.
write
You
it.
read first the clue before you answer.
Animals with fur and claws.
Animals with fur and claws. What's that?
Bears.
Oops. Your spelling. Look at your spelling.
What
It's
happens if you read it?
if I'll read this one. It can read as bears also, but the animals with fur and claws
Wait,
is
I think I know the spelling now.
okay. Let me see. Dun!
Bairis. Don, it's not Bairis.
Boris. If I'll just read your answer, I'll read it as Boris. So
What is
it's
for?
okay. Look, animals with fur and claws. The answer there is, you just tell me your
Bear.
answer. Bears. But the spelling is wrong. Oh.
But like an O.
Can I spell it now or you just try another? You
And I
just
can wait.
you spell again.
Wait, my
One more
pen keeps
time.
on falling.
Oops. You sit properly, Renee. I'll just erase your answer and then you spell it again.
Wait, I think I'll spell it again.
Oh, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bears have 5 letters. Bears.
No.
Come on, so that we can proceed to number 2. You just answer me orally.
Wait, I want.
ah, so the correct spelling is
No,
B-E-A-R-S. That's the correct spelling of the word bears, okay?
I knew it.
B-E-A-R-S. Oh, come on. You repeat after me. You answer me again. Can you please spell the
E.
word bears, Renee? Oh, you just
Sure.
tell me your answer orally so that we can proceed to number 2. Come on.
There's my answer.
Okay, so that's right. Okay, on number 2, you just answer me orally, okay? Next, let's have number 2. Okay.
Where's number 2?
Oh, you read the clue before you
Sun
answer.
bears live in these
Oh,
places.
sun bears.
Warm.
Warm. Spell the word warm.
When I read this with not fixing, that will be meow.
Meow. Meow. Renee, meow. Come on.
Like a cat.
Meow. Come on, you spell the word warm since it's your answer.
You
Uh,
I
sp-
can
you
up
just
my
answer
voice.
me orally. Come on.
I can only hear you a little bit, but only your mic.
Can you hear me now?
Where?
Hello?
Can you?
I can hear you.
Yes, but I can hear.
You can't hear
Wait,
me?
yeah, sometimes.
Uh, how about now? Can you hear me now?
Yes. But you still sound like that your mic is on your mouth. Yeah.
How about now?
I hear anak. Teacher, thank you.
Okay. Come on. The
Yes.
word warm. Can you please spell the word warm? Oh, you just answer me orally so that you can answer me.
WARM.
Okay, very good. Next, number 3.
Polar bears live in this place.
It's an easy word. Polar bears live in these places. Where? In what is your
No
answer?
place.
Again?
Oh, wait, let me try.
Oh no, it's we still in number 3, Renee. Number 3. Polar bears live in these places. Where? No, it's an easy word.
Oh.
You just answer me orally, Renee. Cold
COLB.
LB? Is it
I
B?
said LB.
Look at your spelling. Oh, I just erased it. Okay, so D
No,
is
I
not
was
B.
the one who answered
Okay.
it.
Next, let's have number 4. Number 4. Oh, you're not answering orally. You just answer me orally. Come on, you read the clue.
POLAR.
Okay, very good. Next, before you say your answer, you just read first the clue. Okay?
A bear
Come
that
on, number
lives in
5.
cold places, but I only know that it can be polar.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's right.
polar.
How about number
Where's the
5?
We scroll down.
Number 5, we just
A bear that lives in warm places. Oops,
mm,
I know. SUN.
very good, son. Next, number 6.
The color of some bears. White.
White, very good. Spell the word white.
WHEIE.
One
Okay,
more
wait.
time.
WHIEE.
I.
PE.
Okay, very good. I will say some rules. Okay? So
What rule?
you will have 3 chances. If you spell the word incorrect, you can use your 1 chance, okay? Is that
Huh?
okay, Renee? You have three
Sure.
chances, okay? So next,
Sure.
let's have number 7.
Color of many bears. Brown.
Brown. Oh, come on, spell.
BRWON.
BRWON.
Yeah.
BRWON. Is that your final answer?
No. No.
Uh, uh,
BROWN.
is that your final answer?
Yes.
Ding! Correct. The first one is wrong, but you just try it.
Another
So,
color of bears.
what's
I
that?
know. BLACK.
Oh, what's that? You read. You say
Black.
black. Very good. Number 9.
Black. Some bears eat it. Plant.
Okay, go.
PLNTS.
One more time.
PLANTS.
Very good. Next, number 10.
Some bears eat these. Animals.
Go.
ANIMALS.
Very good. Number 11.
Bears have long noses called Santo Niños.
Santorini. Bears have long noses called this. What's this?
Son, Newt,
It's a what?
Sonotize.
No.
I don't know.
It is. I'll just give you another clue for you to get the correct word. It starts with letter S, and then
Let me know.
O, and then T, and then S. Oh, two letter two
You,
missing letters.
if I want to put a letter, it's gonna be you.
And then
And if I want to put another letter, that would be N.
so on.
Do,
So
do
on.
you, do you,
Oh, you just if I'll just read your answer, I'll just read it as suons. Oh,
wait, I'm gonna do another. Now,
okay. That's the correct
S,
word. Is snouts.
yes.
Okay.
Now
Bears
you
have
can
long
erase
noses
this.
called this as snouts. Okay. I'll just erase it and then you just spell the word orally. Come on.
SNOUTS.
Mm. What?
I got a copy right here.
Where? Oh, I'll just erase it. Oh, I'll just erase it. Oh, come on. Spell the word snouts.
SNOUTS.
One more time. I didn't hear you clearly.
SNOUTS.
Okay, very good. Next, let's have number 11. It's an easy word.
Covers a bear's body. Furs.
Okay.
FURS.
FURS. Uh, Very good. Next, number 13.
Baby bears are called this. Clubs.
Hmm?
CLUBS.
Again, what is your answer?
C-L-B-S.
Wait.
Wait.
Is it
C-U.
clubs?
Wait. C-L-U-B-S.
Oh, I'll just erase the
Wait,
one letter because
I know.
it's wrong. Oh, I'll just erase letter L because
Yes, it is correct.
it's not clubs. It's mm, okay. Okay, that's the correct word. Cubs. It's not clubs. So I'll just remove L because the
But
word is
why is
not
there
clubs.
L there then?
I'll just mislook it. Okay? So
Let me just
I'll just
erase
erase
it.
it. Okay? Baby bears are called cubs. Okay,
Cubs,
next.
but why is there an L there?
Let's have number 14.
They sleep here in the winter.
Bears sleep here in winter.
I'll give you clues, okay?
Oops, are you sure of your answers?
Trees. Oh,
Are you sure of your
which
answer?
one of these are correct? Tell me.
Mm-hmm.
Trees, caves, or den?
Oh, look at the jumbled letters there. It's need.
It's den.
Oh. But your spelling, look at your spelling.
What? 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 Okay.
Okay, that's the correct uh word. Dense, okay? So a while ago you just write like this. Oh, the letter D just like that. Oh, it's balik. It's just like letter A. Okay? Next, last number 15.
Sleeping on winter.
Mm. It's a long word. Let's see if you will spell that correct. Hibernate. It's a long word. Oh, you read your answer. Can you please read your answer? Let's see
Sleeping.
if it's again.
Hibernating.
What what is your answer there? Sleeping all winters is called what?
Sleeping.
Hibernating.
Hibernate.
Hibernating.
Hibernate.
Hibernating is the correct word.
Wait.
But that's the spelling. Is that your final answer,
Yes.
Renee?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. That's the correct answer. Hibernating. How about if you will spell that word orally? Let me see. Or I'll just wait. I'll just erase
Hiber.
it so that you don't have copy. Okay? Oh, come on, one more time.
Hibernating.
Okay, very good. How about since oops, it's already done.
It's a real one.
Next,
It's
how
a real
about
one.
okay, let's just more
Spelling
words.
words.
Yeah. Can you spell the word sleepy?
Sleepy.
Yeah, sleepy.
Sleepy.
How about different? Very good. How about the word different? Hmm?
Diret.
R-E-T? Different. One more time. You spell the word different.
Yes.
One.
Tiffrent.
Okay, very good, Renee. I'm so
Improving.
happy. I'm so happy for you because you are improving every day. Okay? Even though the long words, you can spell
Great.
it correctly. Okay? So that's the end of our lesson.
Thank you.
Renee. So thank you so much. Okay? So bye, Renee, and bye, Suti. Bye-bye. Oh, your toy is so cute, just like you. Okay? So bye, Renee. See you again tomorrow. Bye, Suti. How about Capybara? Where's
I
your
think I
capybara?
need to find him first. I don't know where he is. Look at
Okay.
this swirling dance.
Squirreling. Okay. So bye bye.